How to install and use VN Editor in Windows, PC, or laptop. Alright, guys, so your first step would be to head over to the VN website, which is www.vlognow.me. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on Download for free. And then click on View Guidelines for Windows. It's going to open up a Notion note where you can simply see how to download it so you can follow this process. But all you need to do now to begin downloading it is you're going to need an Android emulator, and then you're also going to need to install the VN launcher. So for the emulator, I selected BlueStacks as this is the best option. So go ahead and click on the download, and it's going to begin downloading BlueStacks. Now, once it's done, go ahead and click on VN launcher, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading the VN launcher itself. All right, so once it's downloaded the VN launcher, all you need to do is just simply go ahead and open the file. That's the folder where these are stored. And then for the BlueStacks, just go ahead and double click on it to begin the installation process. All right, so it's going to look like this. Just go ahead and click on agree and install once you've double clicked on it, and it's going to begin downloading BlueStacks itself. So once the download is completed, we're going to proceed there. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and enable the installer for the VN launcher. So go ahead and double click on this, and it's going to begin installing the VN editor. All right, so once everything is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it. It's done on both sides, that is for the BlueStacks and for the VN editor. So you can just go ahead and click on finish and it's done. All right, guys, so welcome to BlueStacks. Let me go ahead and put this in full screen. All right, so go ahead and click on the settings icon on BlueStacks, head into where we have advanced, and then where we have Android debug bridge, go ahead and turn this on, and then simply copy this number here. So go ahead and turn this on, and then click on save changes. Now, once the changes have been saved, you can now close out of here, minimize, and open up the VN launcher itself. So go ahead and open up the VN launcher, and then take the code you got from BlueStacks and just simply enter it here to simply bind it. All right, and once you've entered the code, just go ahead and click on bind, and now it's going to begin binding it. Now, all right, guys, so in case you're having issues connecting via the debug, I would suggest you head into System Apps and click on Play Store, sign into your Play Store account, and then use the search to simply search for the VN editor. So you could use the search to search for VN editor. In case you're getting issues with the debug, you'd find it here and you'd see an option to install it. So once you're done with the installation, just head into your home, open up the VN editor. It's going to look like this. Let's go ahead and put this in full screen. And it's going to look like this. And you can begin your editing by click on new project. And then where we have project edit mode, go ahead and drag this opened, and then select video based and click on save. And then you can now begin editing. In order to add media, in order to add the media you want to edit, click on the tray here, right click and click on open settings. Take note of the storage locations for the files, and then simply click on the folder itself, and it's going to open up here. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and copy and paste in the files you'd like to copy and paste. I have a few files here already, and once you're done saving them, just go ahead and click on save here. So you could just copy and paste from your downloads, videos, wherever, and then simply close out of here. And then when you head into projects, you're going to find them here. Just click on the imported, click on import projects, and they would be here. All right, guys, and you can then begin editing them as you would any other form of media by clicking on the file and clicking on next. All right, and once it's opened, you can now begin editing it by replacing things, locking it, duplicating, cutting, rotating, flipping, and much more. And then once you're done, you can click here to export it. And that's about it, guys.